around £700 to £800 gets what may well be the best fast zoom for your Micro Four Thirds system. We better take a look at it close up. As a pro lens, this is a straight 2.8 throughout the range, a 12 to 40, of course full frame equivalent of 24 to 80 f2.8, so that should be very familiar territory for a lot of pros and serious photographers. As it's a mirrorless lens, this is nice and light at 328 grams, weatherproof, 62mm filter thread. Lens hood, decent little affair too. Now you can tell it's well built, it does the job, and it's pretty steady. Shouldn't be any unwanted creep going on in use. Now your manual focus ring is fine too, but for manual shooters there's a nice little extra, and that's this clutch mechanism, and you can see that reveals a distance meter too. There's actually a little line there to help you gauge the distance. There you see, beyond infinity, and down to the closest of 0.2, which is a big deal for me. Of course I can access that in my preferred shooting mode, autofocus. Now this lens, as you can imagine, no stabilization, but there's a little extra function button just in case you didn't think that your Olympus body didn't have enough customizable function buttons. So we're going to throw it onto this EM1 Mark II and just throw up some very random samples. So far feels good on the camera. Well, let's have a look at the samples. Don't forget there are even more and arguably slightly better samples in my video for the body itself, but it is what it is. Really dodgy weather, really a rough time trying to squeeze it in between shoots. Yeah, so let's crack on and we'll sum it up afterwards and hear from you in the comments below. Yep, it isn't perfect, especially when you get to the telly end. Things can soften up a touch, wide open but stop down, and it's stellar. I mean, I don't think there are any real issues that would put even a pro photographer off. Okay, so there's no stabilization, but the in-body image stabilization of the Olympus that I shot it on works a treat with this lens, so that kind of wasn't a problem for me at all. I mean, Olympus do have a good reputation for their IBIS systems. Even in low light and driving rain, it performed well. Check out my EM1 Mark II video for a brief clip in that sort of condition. And yeah, happy. Okay, so it's not a magical lens, but if I were to shoot this system as a pro and using zooms, which I'm currently not doing, I have in the past for a number of years with Nikon full frame, etc. Yeah, I think I'd be happy to take this on paid gigs. Big thanks to Wex in Birmingham for the loaner of, well, this real nice combo lens with the EM1 Mark II. Get down there, check it out if you're local, tell them I sent you. You really got to get your hands on this system if you haven't, even if it's just for a bit of fun, or if you're looking for a mirrorless system and you're into the 4/3 world. Check it out, see what you think, and let us know in the comments below. If you've used the lens, let us know in the comments below, or if there's something else that you really enjoy for the Micro 4/3, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, take it easy. Yeah, that's it.